How about we go to the lazy river?
Good idea, Danielle. Let's do this. Look, it's Susie Henderson. Hey Susie, how's it going?
I'm alright. You?
We're good, Susie. We were just at the lazy river.
I see big slides.
Gotta go. Danielle Brewer, want to go on with me?
Sure, Karen Dern. I want to go down on the red slide.
Then I can do blue. Catch you down there, Danielle Brewer. Danielle Brewer should be here in any minute now.
Yay! That was fun.
Let's go see what else is there. Yellow slides.
Hey Susie and Koga, how are you?
We're good, Danielle Brewer.
Yahoo!
Me and Koga gotta go now.
Jake Edward Hall. We told you not to wake Bertie up as she is sleeping. You are grounded for a week. Get to your room now. That must be Danielle Brewer.
Here, Mrs. Brewer. Here is your daughter Danielle.
Thank you, Elise. You and Karen can go home now.
See you at school Monday.
Okay, Karen.